Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, my name is Ross, and today we'll be making mashed potatoes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. First, you'll need the following. We'll need 5 large potatoes. We'll need 1 cup of butter. Skim milk to make it creamy. We'll need fresh chives. Smells like onions. It smells good though. We can't forget the bacon bits. Yummy. Lastly, we'll need sauteed mushrooms. Yum. Smells good. Fill up a pan of water to boil potatoes. Now you put the potatoes in the water. Oops, do it slowly. Okay, stop that. Okay, it's good. It's slow. Okay, that's good. Once the potatoes are cooked, we can put them in the mixing bowl. Let's add the butter and start smashing. Okay, move that over there. Once it's nice and fluffy, you can add the ingredients. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Add some skinny milk so it can be nice and creamy. Add a cup of side so it can make it taste amazing. Add 2 cups of sauteed mushroom. That's a big cup. Lastly, add bacon bits. We can't forget that. Now it's time to mix it all together. Well, okay, that's okay. Pour in a bowl and it's time to enjoy. It's yummy and delicious.